If showing advertisement on your YouTube videos is the only way you want to monetize your YouTube channel, you are missing a lot, okay? As you already know, for you to get monetized on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 watch hours. And you also know that getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours is not a child's play. You need to put in the effort, stay dedicated and consistent, and apply for YouTube monetization for them to display advertisement on your videos. So how about those that have 100 subscribers, 50 subscribers, 500 subscribers? How can they actually monetize their YouTube channel with less than 1,000 subscribers? So in this very video, I've already cracked the code that shows you how you can actually monetize your YouTube channel with less than 1,000 subscribers, and this is 100% YouTube compliance. In this very video, I'm going to be showing you 5 different platforms where you can actually get YouTube sponsors, YouTube brand deals, and collaborations, even without having 1,000 subscribers. All right, so without further ado, let's get into the main video right away. The last one on this very list is one of the best. Okay, just make sure you stay to the ending part of this very video because you can't afford to miss it. Let's get into it. The first on our list is Meet Sponsors. All right, so this is a website where you can actually get sponsorship for your YouTube channel even without having 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so on this very platform, you can simply find sponsors for your YouTube channel where you can actually make videos for their product, for their companies, for the brand, and they're going to simply reward you for that, okay, based on your agreement with them. All right, so on this very platform, they have over 10,000 active sponsors. So this is the first website. All you need to do is simply go ahead and register your account. Once you register and get sponsors, you need to click on this find sponsors. Then you have to simply put in your first name right here. You're going to simply put in your last name, your email address, your password, or you basically sign up with your Google account. Okay, so this is going to simply work very fine for you. All right, so when you're registered and you logged into your account, this is what you're going to simply see. Welcome to Meet Sponsors. All right, so this is what they wrote here. Tell us who you are to personalize your experience. You're going to simply tell them whether you're a YouTuber or a partner manager or you're a brand or a sponsor. Okay, if I'm signing up on the platform, then I'm going to simply go ahead and select I'm a creator. All right, this partner manager is like a middleman. Okay, so if I click on this YouTuber section right here, if I click on it, then it's going to simply take me to this section where I can actually add my YouTube channel. Then they're going to simply analyze my YouTube channel. When they analyze my YouTube channel, then they can actually connect me to brands that relate to my YouTube niche. All right, so that's basically how it works, and this is going to simply make it easier for you to find brand that matches with your YouTube niche. For instance, if you're in relationship niche, remember my channel is not about relationship. All right, if you're in relationship niche, the kind of sponsors you're going to be getting is different from what I'm going to be getting. All right, so that's basically how it was. That's the first one. That's the first website. And the second website on this very list is looking for sponsors. All right, actually go ahead and find sponsors, or you become a sponsor yourself. All right, so on this platform, all you need to do is simply find your sponsor, you collect the tip, you create the opportunity, and this is basically how it's going to simply work. And the best you need to do right now is simply go ahead and sign up your account. And on this very platform, it is 100% worldwide. No matter where you're watching from, you can actually go ahead and get started with this very platform. So this particular website is not only for YouTubers. All right, this one right here, they have a lot of creators on this very platform. Okay, so whether you're a YouTuber, you're a streamer, you can actually get started with this very platform. So if you scroll down a little bit on this very platform, if you're a streamer, this website is basically for you. If you're a YouTuber, it is for you. All right, so if you run a podcast, this is also for you. If you're a social media influencer, whether on YouTube, whether on Facebook and Instagram, on TikTok, this is also for you. All right, so you need to do right now, simply go ahead and sign up. Remember, there's no sign up button, but you need to simply click on this sign in button, or if you scroll up right here, you're going to see get sponsors and collect tips. All right, so if you click on this, then you're going to simply see sign up button here. Okay, instead of signing, you're going to simply make a selection on this very section. You have to tell them whether you're a YouTuber, you're a podcaster, you are this and that. Okay, just select the one that matches with your platform. All right, and this is going to simply work for you. And with this, you can simply go ahead and find sponsors to work with instead of them looking out for you. All right, so the next on our list, we have you get your sponsors.com. all right, so on this very platform, this is where you're going to simply see some platforms, like some website that you can actually partner with. Okay, it's just like Hostinger, which is a standalone platform, right, which is on their own. They're not on any platform. They're not on this, they're not on this, they're not on this, but they can actually be on this. All right, and how do they promote? They can actually promote with organic creators. Okay, instead of running paid advertisement, they are paying some creators to make videos for their brands. Okay, so this website you see here, which is Surfshark, they didn't add their stuff by themselves. The owner of this website added it, okay, so that you can actually know the type of website to look at for when you are trying to do some partnership. All right, so for instance, if this particular website, which is a VPN platform, tallies with my niche, I can actually go ahead and contact them, or maybe send them an email telling them this is my channel and my audience would like to explore your VPN. All right, so I can actually make a video telling my audience to go with your brand and all of that, okay, and that's the type of email you can actually send to them. If you come to this website, you're going to simply see this section right here that says all sponsors. We have the small channel friendly sponsors, okay, so remember we are focusing on the small channels, okay. So if I click on it, remember the ones I showed you previously also works with small channels, okay. So if I click on small channel right here, you're gonna see we have Temu right here, we have Better Help, we have Blue AT, we have lot of them right here, okay. So if you click on this, you're gonna see what the website is about. So this is basically gonna work for travel YouTube channels and all of that, okay. So if you come over to this section, you're gonna see trip.com. This also for travel channels. If you go over to this very section, you're gonna see Skillshare. This is how this platform works. All you need to do right now, if you come over to this website, you simply go ahead and click on the website, see what they talk about, and get their contact them via email. If they respond to you, you are cool. You have to simply send to many brands. All right, so on this very website, you don't need to sign up to get all of these things. Once you head over to the website, there are a bunch of them right here, okay. So you can simply go ahead and select your niche. So that's the third on our list. And if you're getting value from this very video, now why can't you just support this channel by liking, by subscribing, and also dropping your thoughts on the comment section, right? It's going to simply go a long way pushing this video forward, okay. So if you've done that, welcome to the community. You can as well go ahead and join us on Telegram, WhatsApp channel to stay updated on what we do right here. If you've done that, congratulations, you are part of the community. The fourth one on our list, we have the brand Baker. All right, so this is also a platform where you can actually get brand to work with as an influencer. All right, and this one right here is going to simply work for you if you have Instagram, if you have YouTube, if you have Facebook. Okay, it's going to simply work for you very well. Be ready to create video content for all of these brands, okay. So you can see right here, this section right here is for influencers. So if you click on that, you're going to simply take you to this very section where you can actually discover opportunities. Over 50,000 influencers and creators saving weekly opportunity for free products, page posts, discount, and lot more, okay. So all of these brands right here, they can decide to give you their product for free. They can decide to pay you for that. They can actually decide to give you discount for their platforms. All right, anyway, which way, we are ready to work with any brand without having 1,000 subscribers. All right, so for you to get started with this very platform, you just need to click on this button right here that says get started as an influencer. All right, so remember, you have to make sure you have audience already. Send them an email for you to get registered, and when you are being accepted, then you sign up on the platform and you provide them your social media handles, your social media pages. With this in place, you are good to go. All right, the last on our list is the one I like so much, and this one right here is YouTube inbuilt brand section. All right, so it is called YouTube Brand Connect. All right, so if you come over to your browser and you search for YouTube Brand Connect, this is what Google has to tell us. YouTube Brand Connect is a platform that connects YouTube creators with brands for paid content campaigns such as influencers marketing and sponsored content. Okay, so this very platform right here is not on any type of browser. All right, it is only for people with 1,000 subscribers that are already monetized. That is the only way you can actually get it. Okay, so if you are less than 1,000 subscribers, the one I've already listed right here, this one right here, which is the brand Baker, get your sponsors, looking for sponsors, and also meet sponsors. All of these 4 websites can actually work for you if you have below 1,000 subscribers and if you're not monetized already on YouTube. Okay, but if you're monetized on YouTube, then you can actually add this one to the list. Okay, and this one right here is only for those that are monetized, and you can actually see it on your YouTube studio. This dollar section, you have to simply click on this dollar section right here. You can see this dollar section, you have to simply click on it. When you click on this dollar section, then you're going to simply open up this section that says earn on YouTube. All right, we have overview, we have watch page ads, short feed ads, membership, we have shopping, and we have brand connect. Okay, and also we have giving. This is a new one that popped up, all right, on YouTube right now. Okay, so if I click on this brand connect, okay, so you're going to simply prompt me to this very session where I can easily go ahead and connect with brand. Okay, so you can actually turn it on yourself by clicking on this get started button. Okay, so this is basically how you can actually get sponsorship for your YouTube channel even without having 1,000 subscribers. But this video one right here, which I showed you, you need to have 1,000 subscribers. Okay, so apart from collaboration, brand deals, partnership, and a lot of that, there are other ways you can monetize your YouTube channel. So one of the ways is through affiliate marketing, where you promote people's products to get a commission. I've already made tons of videos about affiliate marketing. You can simply go to my channel and check it out. Okay, you can monetize with affiliate marketing. You can also sell your own product. If you have an e-commerce store, you can actually sell your merchandise product on your channel. Okay, this is basically how it works. If you found this video helpful, the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. All right, so if you want me to make a video on how to get sponsors, brand deals for your blog or website, I want you to drop your thoughts on the comment section. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to check out the video showing on screen right now. It is very much useful. Don't miss out. See you in that very video.